This is the final video to solve the RPC Executor Service through an error problem when signing into your Google account. And if you're also stuck because Google refuses to log you in no matter how many times you try, this video is exactly what you were searching for. I'm sharing every possible fix so you can get back in. This is Rexished. This error happens when something on your browser or device blocks Google's sign-in process. It could be a bad cookie, a corrupt browser profile, an extension, or even a network security setting. Other tutorials make it sound complicated, but I'll tell you the easy tricks that actually work. The first fix is simple. Clear your browser's cookies and cache for all Google sites. This resets the login session that caused the RPC problem. Next, turn off all browser extensions, especially ad blockers, script blockers, or privacy tools. These often break Google's login window. If you're using Chrome profiles, switch to a fresh profile or create a new one. Corrupted profiles trigger this exact error. Then try signing and using an incognito or private window. If it works there, you know something in your main browser setup is blocking it. Also try another browser completely. Sometimes Chrome blocks it, but Edge or Firefox works instantly. On some networks, DNS filtering or VPNs also cause this error. Turn off any VPN, proxy, DNS changer, or firewall app and try again. If you're on a work or school device, the admin may be blocking Google authentication.